Namaste everyone, welcome to YCB Level 1 200 Hours Yoga Teachers Training with Ayushman Yog. My name is Nidhi and I'm going to be your companion in this journey. Let's begin. So, importance of subjective experiences in daily yoga practice. So again, this is an absolutely practice-based topic. When you practice, you will be able to realize your own experiences, right? For example, if you practice every day, then the first thing what happens, you will build the self-discipline. If you practice in the morning, let's say, then you are waking up early, right? So you're waking up early, that is a good thing, and you're doing a yoga practice, two good things together, right? So you're getting the double benefits now. Also now when you practice asana, it brings the harmony in the body, right? Ensures the body is strengthened, ensures that the body is disease-free, strong, right? Pranayama practices ensure the calm and the balance in the body as well as in the mind. Now there are other yoga practices, right? For example, swadhyaya, self-study or the self-analysis. Beautiful practice, isn't it? It helps you get internalized. Or if you talk about self-study, then if you're reading books, then again, it will help you to build your own perspective. When you read, you will start seeing things from a different angle altogether. Right? And in the study of the yogic scriptures, because we do not read the original text are all in Sanskrit. So you will either read the commentary or you would want to read the literal translation. But try reading that of 2 or 3 authors so that you will be able to understand the text from different perspectives. Right? Build in that habit. Self-study. Also the practice of karma yoga. It develops an attitude of surrendering to the God, Ishwar Pranidhana, wherein you are not attached to the action and you are not attached to the consequences of action either. Right? Practice of bhakti yoga, intense love towards the God. Concept of jnana yoga, intense love towards seeking the knowledge. Right? So all of these practices are individual experiences. Right? Eventually, you will be able to figure out which practice do you relate to the most. Right? You figure that out and you stick with that practice. Remember what Patanjali says? Ek tattva abhyas. Dedicated practice towards whichever practice you are able to relate with. And then figure out what your experience is. Right? I hope it all makes sense to you. That's all from my side. Stay consistent with your studies and practice, and I will see you in the next lecture.